Today we will look at Go to Special. Go to Special is used to quickly identify cells that have formulas and cells that are for input. Let's say you just received this file and you're not sure where you should input. These look like input cells. There's formulas here. If you are creating templates that you want to send to others, it's a good practice to highlight your formula cells with a color different from the input cells. To do this really fast, click Find, select Go to Special, select Formulas to highlight the formula cells. Now you can decide if you want to highlight formula cells that return numbers, text, logicals, and errors. For our case, I just want to highlight the formula cells that return numbers. I will apply this with OK, and these cells are automatically highlighted. To make it very clear, I'm going to add a background color to differentiate it. So let's go and select a very light shade of gray. Now, let's do the same for the input cells. I just want to highlight these in a different color. We don't have many of them. I could of course do this manually, but if you have a large spreadsheet, you can't do it manually. So we will go with Go to Special. The shortcut key for that is Ctrl-G. To get to the special part, use Alt-S. Now, this time I want to highlight cells that are constants and only numbers. Because I don't want to highlight the staff name, I will not select text, click OK. Now, let's give it a different color. So let's go and select a very light shade of purple. That's it.